Where is it? Let's egg update. And wait, let's go read the board first. There's a new set of cosmetics in the store. Better stock up on your rain gear. It looks like it could start raining in the near future. It could! I gotta stock up. Rain gear? Probably. Yeah.
No. Wow. I can literally go to the shop and buy boots and put them on my arms for like 60. I don't need 4,000 shiny rocks.
Oops.
Look, they don't even work properly.
Oh, what the heck did I just see?
You actually think they would? Dude, this is the stupidest thing ever. You know, it kind of makes sense because it's summer. Yeah, but like, at the same time, just why?
Bro, that's
Why a boot that doesn't even work right? Because it's Gorilla Tag, of course. Yeah, I guess that's true.
Egg,
If I'm
bald
gonna
head.
get one of these boots, it's gonna be these.
Is there any like new features? I mean, is there any
Big black
there?
fat niggers.
Yeah,
Let's go and look at all the maps. If there's anything different.
like having a pops.
I doubt there's anything different. Is there anything different in here? Not in here. Ow, that hurt. Not in there. Let's go. I know the forest map isn't. I just looked at it before recording. I already read the message board. Not recording.
There's a snake in my
And okay. Look in here. Probably nothing now. Yeah, what is that expensive? Okay.
Come back here. This is like one of the most perfect ways to learn how to walk. Oh my god. Alright. You ready?
Well, let's go and play some more.
Everybody follow Dennis.
Have you seen the little silly pocket guy?
Yep, that's
Want to play monkey on the Want to play? You guys want to play monkey on the shelf? You guys want to play monkey on the shelf? Yeah, I'll play. Okay, guys.
nice boots, you know? That's an update. No?
Hey, go on the shelf, Brett.
update?
Go on the shelf. Go on the shelf. Hey, everyone gets to unpass here. Everyone gets to unpass here.
It's pretty nice update.
Should I either get
Hey, does anybody want to see me dance? I'm gonna dance. Ready? I'm gonna bring it down. I'm gonna bring it down. I'm gonna dance. I'm gonna dance.
or should I get? Oh, I love your shoes. I love your shoes. Hey, you.
Oh
hey,
my
hey,
god, bro! Here's $1 for
yellow,
that.
Yellow.
Here's $1 for that.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wait, here's $100.
Thank you.
Okay, bet. Here's $1,000.
Thanks. Thank you.
Here's 1,001 billion. Here's 1,001 billion.
I'll give you 20 billion, trillion, duckadillion, million, duckadillion dollars.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go to the Gucci store after this.
What are you doing? Here's $1,000. Another billion. Here's another trillion billion. Duckadillion. Take it! That's a nice dance, actually.
Daddy. Okay, I got this.
I mean, there might be something new. I don't think there is. Probably not. Yeah, just looking at it, it doesn't look. Yeah, except for how it changes.
1, 2, 3, AS. Right here.
What was that? Oh, okay. Well, I'm just gonna leave it here.
Ooh, this way. Ooh, this way. Too hard to climb. This way. Over here. Behind you.
Well, that was the new update of rainy. Really, actually pretty rainy. pretty rainy, yeah.
Like A is in the letter, yeah.
Huh? We get back to
What?
my spot.
Asian.
Fucking.
Okay. Well, that was
What
good.
the fuck? It just okay. S-O-U-K. Souk. Souk.
Come here.
Bro, it's just
Okay. Someone's in here. Really code.
What's up?
Bro, like, act like I really
G-Y.
Come in the code B-Box
That's
Box.
such a bad.
Only black.
B-Box
Only black.
box?
Yeah, only black.
How you doing that? What's the
It's B-B-O-X B-O-X.
BB?
Only black can join. Not you, bro. Sorry.
BBOX.
B-O-X.
2 B's 0 OX.
B-B-O-X B-O-X. That's how you spell it all. So you have to do it B-O-X again.
Not really.
BBOX box.
Yeah, B-Box Box. B-Box Box. That's it. Now do X.
Bro.
Then done. We got it right. I think you got it right. Please, please, I need you. I need you, bro. Please. Please, bro. Please. No. No. Please. Please, please, no, please. I need you. B-Box Box. What if I just do B-Box? Please, bro. Please. B-Box Box. Where's it? Please, bro. Please. You got this. No. No. I need you. No, no. Please. I need you, bro. Please. I need you. Please, bro. Please. I need you bad. When I took off my headset to wipe down my lenses, kind of the video shut off. So here's the outro. Hope you like my video. Well, it's of the new update, really. I really find it good. Like, it's not the best. I don't like the boots that much, but it kind of just blocks your vision. But other stuff that hat's really cool of the yellow one.
I'm gonna pee my pants right now.
They're really good, you know?
Okay. I might pee my pants right now, guys. I just wanna hold it and just like.
It's just a nice update because something has now, like, it says there might be raining soon, so I'm definitely gonna stock up on those. Definitely. Because I actually think it's gonna rain.
Oh my god.
It might actually rain in real life for me soon. Yeah, that was the update. If you didn't know yet, I'm filming this a long time before it came out. I'm like, it came out today, and I'm filming this like 5 hours after it came out. But yeah, that was the video. Hope you like it. Bye. Make sure to subscribe now.